Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Crypto.com in Canada. Crypto.com is a popular cryptocurrency platform that allows users to buy, sell, and store various digital currencies. To get started, you will need to create an account on the Crypto.com website or download the mobile app. First, navigate to the Crypto.com website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be required to provide some personal information, including your name, email address, and password. Once you have filled out the registration form, you will need to verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Crypto.com. Next, you will need to complete the Know Your Customer verification process, which is a standard requirement for all cryptocurrency platforms. This involves uploading a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport, and providing proof of address. This process is necessary to ensure that Crypto.com complies with Canadian regulations and to protect users from fraudulent activities. After your account has been verified, you can deposit Canadian dollars into your account using a bank transfer or other supported payment methods. Once your funds have been deposited, you can use them to buy various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. To buy cryptocurrency, navigate to the Crypto.com exchange and select the currency you want to purchase. Enter the amount you want to buy and confirm the transaction. The cryptocurrency will then be added to your Crypto.com wallet, where you can store it, send it to others, or use it to make purchases. In addition to buying and selling cryptocurrency, Crypto.com also offers other features, such as a Visa card that allows you to spend your cryptocurrency at merchants that accept Visa. The platform also offers a rewards program that allows you to earn cryptocurrency by completing various tasks, such as buying and holding certain cryptocurrencies. To ensure the security of your account, it is essential to enable two-factor authentication and use a strong password. You should also keep your account information and cryptocurrency private and not share it with anyone. In conclusion, using Crypto.com in Canada is a straightforward process that requires creating an account, verifying your identity, depositing funds, and buying cryptocurrency. By following these steps and using the platform's features, you can easily buy, sell, and store cryptocurrency and take advantage of the benefits that Crypto.com has to offer.